Tired of high prices and poor service? Come where quality meets affordability. Welcome to Big Jonah Supermarket in Lekki.
No more long queues, no more empty shelves. Just premium products, unbeatable deals, and excellent service.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page for deals and giveaways only at Big Jonah Supermarket.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, Big Jonah. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a realistic AI advert video using Google Veo 3. Yes, but believe me, this is not just anyhow Google Veo 3 tutorial you have been watching. This one is absolutely different. Why? Because in this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to structure your prompt in order to create any kind of video. Yes. From my previous video, a lot of people still come to my DM asking me to generate a prompt for them in order for them to generate an advert video or any other video. The reason is that you just get that prompt and then you went ahead to maybe remove something from it and then add something, but still yet you are not able to get what you want. So that is why in this video, I'll be teaching you how to generate a well-structured prompt for any kind of video that you want to create. That's not just all. As you all know, Google Veo 3 free plan is absolutely just 8 seconds. You cannot create a video longer than 8 seconds, and because of this, when you are creating your video, you end up not getting a consistent character. In this video, I have solved that problem. You don't need to worry about that again, because in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a consistent character, how to create a longer video. Maybe you want to generate an advert, but most probably that your advert is longer than 8 seconds. How do you do it? Don't worry, in this video I'll teach you how to create a longer video, how to create a consistent character in order for you to get your video done successfully. Yes, because most probably the advert or any video that you want to generate is more than 8 seconds, and that is where a lot of us are having issue. After you generate and then you want to join it together, you end up getting wrong. Why? Because you do not have a consistent character, because it's longer than 8 seconds. You know, you have to cut and join it. Don't worry, in this video I have solved that problem. So make sure to stick with me to the very end of this video so you don't miss any important part of this video. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe for the 1 month free pro plan. So make sure to pay very close attention. You know, I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Guys, for you to do this, all you need to do is to head over to your Chrome, head over to your Google, as you can see. Search for Veo 3, okay? Veo 3. And then you just have to scroll up till you reach this Google DeepMind. As you can see, Google DeepMind. Go ahead and click it. And then here you are. Go ahead and click Try Flow. Okay, if you come to this place, they ask you to create with flow now, but there's something that you need to know. As a new beginner, you will be asked to subscribe to their pro plan. Do you understand? You'll be asked to subscribe to Google AI Pro plan. I've already made video about that, on how to go about all this subscription. Do you understand? From the beginning to the scratch, how to subscribe to Google AI Pro plan. If you are interested, just check my channel and you see how to subscribe to Google Pro plan. So after your subscription, just come here and then click create with flow. Okay, and here we are. As you can see, here are some of my projects that I've worked on. Okay, here are some of my projects that I carried out from the previous video that I did. Okay, so just go ahead and click create new project. Do you understand? New project. Click create new project. Okay, and here we are on the interface. So this is the interface. This is how the interface looks like. If you look up very well, you see pro beside my email, meaning that I'm using Google AI Pro plan. You don't need to be scared. The first 1 month is absolutely free. Yes, you can use the pro plan for free for complete 1 month. As a new beginner, they are going to give you 1,000 credit. As you can see, let me show you. I still have up to 810 credit. You understand? I've used, when I register, when I subscribe, they gave me 1,000 credit. Each video cost me 20 credit, and now I have 800 AI credit. Do you understand? Okay, so the first thing that you need to know if you come to this place is to click this text to video. Do you understand? If you look very well, if you click it, you will see text to video, frames to video, and ingredient to video. Now listen very careful. This text to video is just your prompts to video. Just write a prompt and the video will be created. And then frames to video. Now this is when you want to convert your photo to video. Do you understand? When you want to upload your picture and turn it to AI video, that is when you use frames to video and ingredient to video. This ingredient to video is just the combination of the two with audio and everything. Do you understand? And then if you look very well, you see something like a music adjustment icon. Pay very close attention. Just like a music adjustment icon, immediately after that Veo Too Fast, okay, click it. If you click it, you are going to see output per prompt, and you also see model Veo Too Fast. Okay, you see model Veo Too Fast. Now, this output per prompt, if you click it, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4. Pay very close attention now. Output per prompt is a video that you want to create per prompt. Like if you input one prompt, how many video do you want the AI to generate for you? 1 video, 2 video, or 3 video? I will advise you always use 1 video per prompt. Okay, the reason is that each video costs you a particular AI credit. For example, if I'm using Veo 3 Fast, each video will cost me 20 AI credit. If you are using 2 or 3 or 4 output per prompt, it's going to cost you more. Like instead of 20 AI credit, they will deduct, that is 20 times 4. Do you understand? So your credit will finish quickly if you are using these 4 output per prompt. So I'll always recommend 1 video per prompt. Okay. Also, at the bottom, if you look very well, you see model. Okay, click that model, and then if you click that model, you will see Veo Too Fast, Veo 3 Fast, text to video, and then you see Veo 2 quality, and then you see Veo 3 quality. Now pay very close attention. Veo Too Fast is just when you want to create the video without audio. Veo Too Fast doesn't have audio. The video quality is okay, it's great, but there's no audio there. That is, you use Veo Too Fast when you want to add your own voice. Maybe when you want to add a voiceover. If you use this Veo Too Fast, you have to create a voiceover, maybe from 11 Lab, or you use your own voice and then add a voiceover to it. The video doesn't come with audio. Do you understand? But Veo 3 Fast, in the other hand, come with audio. You don't need to stress yourself to go and get audio. It come actually with the sound. Okay, so that's the difference between the two. But there's one thing: Veo Too Fast costs you less AI credit than Veo 3 Fast. Veo Too Fast costs you 10 AI credit per video, but Veo 3 Fast costs you 20 AI credit per video. So that's just the difference. But Veo 3 Fast come with audio, while Veo Too Fast doesn't come with audio. Okay, now so for you to generate your video, what you need to do is to just go ahead and paste your prompt. Paste your prompt and hit OK, and then automatically your video will start to generate. Okay, as you can see, the video is already generating. Okay, you don't need to worry about this prompt. I'm going to be dropping the prompt at the description of this video. At the description of this video, I'll drop the link to my Telegram channel. Just head over to my Telegram channel and download the prompt. And also, at the course of this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to write a proper prompt, how to write your own prompt. There's a prompt template that are actually generated that you can use it, edit it to get what you want. Okay, as you can see, so my video has been generated. Okay, but now pay very close attention. If you look very well, you see that this video is in Veo Too Fast. I want you to know the difference between Veo Too Fast in practical and Veo 3 Fast. Now pay very close attention. Let me play the video. You see that this video doesn't have a sound. Do you understand why the video doesn't have a sound? The video doesn't have a sound because we are using Veo Too Fast. Okay, now let's put this video on Veo 3 Fast. The same thing. Now I want to put it on Veo 3 Fast. Veo 3 Fast. Okay, now this is the video is already on Veo 3 Fast. Let's go ahead and paste our prompt, the same prompt. Okay, now let's watch and see the magic now. Okay, if you look, this one doesn't have sound. It's just a video. I have to go and do voiceover on it. Do you understand? Which is stressful. Okay, it's not every one of us that can do this voiceover of a thing. Okay, so that is why I do not recommend Veo Too Fast, except you are good in doing voiceover. Okay, So now we are using Veo 3 first. Let's generate this one and see the magic from Veo 3 first. Let's see the difference. I believe we understand Veo 2 first very well now. Okay. At the course of this video, I'll teach you how to write prompts. So don't worry about the prompt. I'm here for you. Do you understand? Okay, guy, look at that. Okay. You see now. Now let's play the two video and see.
Tired of high prices and poor service? Come where quality meets affordability. Welcome to Big Jonah Supermarket in Lekki. Tired of high prices and poor service? Come where quality meets affordability. Welcome to Big Jonah Supermarket in Lekki.
You see this one carries sound. Now let's see the Veo 2, the one that Veo 2 created. Look at the Veo 2 own. Okay, you see that this one not have sound, but this one have sound, and the video generation is kind of different, right? So you are the one to choose the one that you want. So this is just the difference. So to download the video, just go ahead and click this drop down icon. Okay, drop down icon, click it, and then choose original size 220 pixel. Okay, click it, and then your video will be downloaded into your gallery successfully. Actually, for me, I prefer what Veo 3 first generated, because from how I structured this prompt, Veo 3 actually gave me the result more than Veo 2. Do you understand? Okay, now let me show you how to write prompt, okay? Because it's very, very important. That's the main thing. You need to structure your prompt very well. I'll show you, I'll teach you how to write the prompt. I have a template for you that you can just edit, and then boom, you have your result. Not just a template. The template guide you on how to generate your own prompt from ChatGPT. Not this particular prompt that I'm going to give you. A lot of people just come and then they will give you this prompt directly to go and edit it and fit your own, but they don't teach you how to generate the prompt. This is the difference between them and Big Jonah. In my own platform, I'll teach you how to generate the prompt yourself so that you be good at what you are doing. It's not about getting the prompt, it's about knowing how to generate, because you may want to maybe do video for a client or for your business. You need to know how to generate the prompt. So that's why I'll show you how to generate the prompt. And also, if you look very well, you realize that this is just 8 seconds. You need to create a consistent character. Maybe your advertisement video is longer than 8 seconds. Do you understand? And the video need to be long. Okay, so how do you now do it? Now pay very close attention, watch the video to the very end, and then you will get the answer, because this is just 8 seconds and your advertisement, I'm very sure it will be longer than this. Even though you are going to be generating it one by one, then you go and join it together. There's a way that you need to do it. Yes, there's a way that you do it in order for you to get your result. Okay, so now let me show you how to do that. I'm going to show you. Just pay very close attention to this video so you don't miss any important part. Okay, now let's go to my notepad. Let me show you something. Okay, if you look very well, you see as prompt, you see this prompt. Look at this prompt very well. You see, help me write a detailed prompt scene. Okay, now if you look very well, I say help me write. What am I trying to say? I'm trying to still generate a prompt, okay, for that particular video that you just watched. I'm trying to generate a prompt. Why am I still generating a prompt? Now let me show you why. This template is specifically for you to generate an advertisement prompt from ChatGPT. This is not the actual prompt that I use on Google Veo 3. This one is to generate the prompt. Okay, so now if you get this particular one that I'm giving you, this particular prompt, you can use it to generate any advertisement video. Do you understand? Any advert that you want to create with this prompt, you can use it to generate it. Okay, now look at the prompt, look at the content of the prompt. I say, let me write a detailed prompt scene. Now I'm commanding ChatGPT, right? Okay, fine. I said, Bright Supermarket in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. The name of the supermarket is Big Jonah Supermarket. Do you understand? I described the supermarket. I'm trying to tell ChatGPT, in case if you are generating this prompt for me, that I want to use to generate this video. Now look at the name of the supermarket. Do you understand? Now subject, look at the subject. I say subject, a friendly Nigerian man in his early 20s. A white shirt with a caption, Big Jonah Supermarket, waiting on his shirt and black trouser, holding a milk carton. Do you understand? So now this is the subject of the prompt that I want to generate. Now, for example, if you want your own to be woman, you have to change it to a Nigeria woman or a Nigeria girl. You understand? With this subject, subject is just the person, that guy that you saw on that particular video that was saying, welcome to this. That is your subject. the subject of the video. You can edit, you can change it. Do you want your subject to be animal? Do you want it to be babu? That is why I call this particular prompt a template. With this prompt, you can generate any advertisement video, whatever subject that you want to use. A subject is that person that was talking. If you want animal, you can put animal. Whatever you want, just edit it to fit what you want. Okay. Now action. Now action is what you want your subject to say. Okay, now either it could be man, it could be woman, it could be animal. Do you understand? Whatever you want the subject, this particular subject, the man, like for example that man that you saw on that video that we just generated, what you want the man to say, that is your action. How do you want the man to react? And inside this action you can put, if you want the man to run, all those kind of things, just put anything. The action that you want your subject to perform, that is your action. Okay, what you want your subject to say, that is your action. If you want it to run or something, you will add it here. Okay, like if you look like my own, I say he smile at the camera and says. When you say said, you realize that the AI realize that this is you, like saying something, talking something. But if you want it to perform an action like running or something, you need to be specific here. Maybe he run. Do you understand? Action is what you want your subject to do, either to say something or to run or to dance. Do you understand? So that is action for you. So my own action, I say, he smile at the camera and say, tired of high price and poor services, come to where quality meet affordability. Welcome to Big Jonah Supermarket in Lekki. From fresh grocery to household essential, everything you need in one place at the best price. Shoppers in the background. Do you understand? That is the action. If you look very well, I say shoppers in the background. Do you understand? Action. I want people to be at the background. So that is how to do, that is why to describe your action. And if you look very well, you say camera. This camera means camera position. How do you want the camera position to be? Do you want it to come from side or from back or from head? Do you understand? So your camera position, that is why I write camera there. So ChatGPT will understand, and ChatGPT, if you like, you can put it at camera position. Me, I just write camera, although ChatGPT understand it very well, and then it give me what I want. Okay. And then if you look very well, I say audio, supermarket background sound. I want ChatGPT to add an audio to the prompt for me. So that is why I say audio, supermarket background. So like this, there's going to be an audio at the background of my video. Okay. And if you look very well, say again, I say I'm generating the video using Google Veo 3, which can only generate 8-second video. So be mindful of the length of the video. Okay. So do you understand? You know, like I said, Veo 3 is just 8 seconds, except you subscribe to the pro plan. For after this 1 month finish, the first 1 month that they give you, when it is done and you subscribe to the pro plan, or maybe you have paid, that is when you can generate a video longer than 8 seconds. So I make sure I tell ChatGPT so that ChatGPT will understand how to structure my prompts, so the prompt will not be longer or be shorter. Okay, so to fit. Okay, so that's what I did. So now what you need to do is to go ahead, copy this prompt, this particular prompt. If I give it to you, copy it, and then head over to ChatGPT. So come to ChatGPT and paste that prompt. Okay, go ahead and paste it, and then hit OK. Okay, as you can see, now ChatGPT have rewrite my prompt for me. Okay, now we have a prompt of the video that we want to generate. So all you need to do now is to go ahead and copy this particular one that ChatGPT write. Okay, go ahead and copy it. If you look the prompt very well, you see that you see subject, a friendly Nigerian man. Do you understand? Action is smile at the camera. Do you understand? And then camera position. Now ChatGPT have had a very good camera position for us. So that's the essence of doing it this way. Okay, come over to your notepad again and edit it. Okay, you still need to edit it because there are some things here that Google Veo 3 is not going to understand. Okay, there are some things that we need to remove and add. If you look very well, you see scene description, it shouldn't be there because Google Veo 3 is not going to understand this aspect. Just start direct. Oh yeah, direct. And if you look very well, you see this hyphen. This hyphen shouldn't be there. Rather, put comma. Put comma. The AI doesn't understand. The AI don't know how to use this hyphen very well. A lot of people don't know about this. Okay. And then this subject, it shouldn't be there. The Google Veo 3 do not understand it. Don't put those things there. If not, it will misbehave. Okay, don't put it there. Wherever you want your subject to say something, immediately after that says, put this double quote and then write what you want your subject to talk immediately. That's how to do it. And then this hyphen, delete it. The AI doesn't understand it. All these things I've tried before. I've done a lot of try and error. So for you to avoid the mistake, that's why I'm doing it. That stuff shouldn't be there. Delete it. This camera, delete it. And here we are. Okay. So now if you look at our prompt now, it's now looking more like just a normal paragraph. We just write it like this. So this is how the AI understand it. This is how the AI understand it. So this is the prompt that we are going to use. All you need to do is to go ahead, copy this one, and then head over to Google Veo 3 and paste it and get your video generated successfully. So this is how to go about the prompt. I hope this prompt, with this, you'll be able to get a very good video. Okay, now for you to change the action of your subject, this is how to do it. Like I said, the action is what you want your subject to say. Okay, for you that want to create a consistent character, as you all know, like I said, Google Veo 3 is just an 8-second video, and you want to create a long advertisement. Okay, so you need to create, then you join it together. Except you have money and pay for the pro plan. That's the only time you can create a long video. But for now that we are using the free, you have to create, and then you join everything together. And for you to get that consistent character, all you need to do after you create the first one, all you need to do is to change the action. Do you understand? Change the action. Change what the person do or what the person say. Like I say, I've explained the action for you very well, right? So now if you look very well, this is the action here. I say, smile warmly at the camera and say, from fresh grocery to household essential. This is just another one. Okay, now for you to change this action, what it says, just go ahead, delete this part of what it say. Okay, now I've deleted it, and then I'll paste the one that I want to write. Now this is what I want the person to say. This is the next action that I want the person to take. Okay, now look at that, and then I'll join it together. Now this is the next action I want the person to take. Actually give that gap so that you see what I'm doing very well. You see, no more long queues, no more shelves. It says no more long queue, no more empty shelf, just premium product, unbeatable deals, and excellent services. This is the same prompt. The only thing that I change is the action of the person. That's the only thing that I change. And then just go ahead and copy it. Head over to Google Veo 3 and generate your video. Okay, here we are on Google Veo 3. Make sure you put it on Veo 3, okay? Veo 3 first, so that the video will have sound. And then go ahead and paste your prompt. And then hit generate. Okay, now let's watch and see the magic from Google Veo 3.
No more long queues, no more empty shelves. Just premium products, unbeatable deals, and excellent service.
If you look at this video very well, there's a slight change, but if you know how to edit, you edit those parts out. Now look at this. Look at the action. I just changed the action, okay? See.
No more empty shelves. Just premium products, unbeatable deals, and excellent service.
Tired of high prices and poor service? Come where quality meets affordability. Welcome to Big Jonab Supermarket in Lekki.
No more long queues, no more empty shelves. Just premium products, unbeatable deals, and excellent service.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page for deals and giveaways only at Big Jonab Supermarket.
You see, this is just how to create a consistent character, okay? You just need to use the same prompt. The only thing that you are changing is your action, okay? So that's the only thing that you are changing for you to get a consistent character. Then you just go ahead and then download it.
So this is basically how to generate a realistic AI advert video using Google Veo 3. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, drop a nice comment, and then if you are watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, I highly recommend you to please follow this account, like the video, and drop a comment. I'm Big Jonab, as per usual friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.